Hey, so I wanted to go over this super fast. It's not hard, but hold on. It's the meet the teacher thing. Okay, so when you get this, save it, or save as, and then just tweak it. Okay, so here's how you're gonna tweak it. First slide is gonna stay the same. Okay, first of all, before I go further, so like I'm going to turn my meet the teacher in, you're going to turn your meet the teacher in, and they're going to have the same information, but they're going to look just a little bit different. Okay, you needed to hear that before we went further. So have your welcome slide, and you can add to whatever. I don't care what you do, but here's what needs to be in there. um have your welcome slide. Here's mine. So the next thing my class will see is this. Okay, so the way you're going to tweak it is you're going to put your stuff here, but don't erase this slide. Okay, wait for it. Okay, so your stuff will go here, and then you'll do this. Now listen, all you do for right now is just copy and paste this. We will tweak this in August when we figure out what our actual schedule is, but for right now, just copy and paste it, or just leave it like this. Okay, pretend like that's the same. Then you're gonna do this. Don't change it. Just make this as easy as possible. Okay, so don't change it. We'll tweak it when school starts, when we figure this stuff out. The next slide, mine says Miss Oral, because once you get your information page or whatever, then I'm going to put yours here, and I'm going to copy and paste it. You already have mine, so you could put mine here. Okay, so what all we're doing is showing, like, introducing the other first grade teachers. Okay, so you'll put Miss Mason right here with nothing. You'll put other first grade teacher, question mark, right, or just leave that there. Sped, we're going to pretend like we don't know who that is and put that there. So once you get their meet the teacher slides, like their personal information, you're just going to copy it and paste it onto this. Okay, then down here, Mrs. Bray, you'll put her information. And again, I know we're just putting words, but if we don't get this information, then Karen, when we turn it in now, Karen will at least see that we are ready for it. We just have to get it to plug it in. And then after that, we have this slide, and you and I might decide to do something different in August, but for right now, I would not change it. I would just make this easy and keep everything as is. The only thing you need to change is on that slide, make that yours, and then take mine and put it down here. Instead of Miss Oral, you'll put Miss Mason, because you already have that. Okay, now seriously, when you get your stuff, send it to me so that I can put yours there. Okay, I hope that made sense.